game, but that's the end of round number 4. So round number 5 should be starting in a second, so I'm gonna go use the restroom very quickly, and we will be right back and continue. So give me 1 second. Okay, again, I'm still playing some very, very low rated, so I'm gonna obviously just play random garbage. So here, maybe c5. I'm gonna buy Trump Tower after it's repossessed. I very well might, you guys. I mean, it's gonna be repossessed pretty soon, right? Because Trump apparently, despite his claims of having billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars, can't afford a very paltry 490 million, is it? Maybe it's less, but whatever. Let's go a6 here. I could have played e6 too, but I'm trying to create an imbalance at the center of the board. Oh, this is my 3rd black in a row? Wait. No, I was white last game. What are you talking about? No, I was white. I was white last game. Yeah, you guys scared me for a second. That's 454 millones. Okay. Probably do I take? This looks like a free juicer. Yeah, it's just a free pawn. Okay, we'll get another win. 6 more to go, you guys. Problem with these games is because they're so easy right now, it's like it's very hard to really be interested in a way. Like I'm just kind of like not really super excited. I mean, I guess I'll just take and play knight f6 even. Hit the pawn, probably rook e8. Could have also just taken on e4. So it's like I'm gonna go from these like games that are basically brainless to games that actually aren't trivial. And so we'll see how I do, because like right now I'm playing people who are really low rated. And there are a lot of top guys still on 4 out of 4. So I mean, I expect to get to like 6 out of 8 before I have to face someone serious. e5, I have d4. I'll just take, hit the rook, maybe knight f4. Queen f6 is fine too. Knight b4 also completely fine to hit the bishop, hit the knight, and hit the queen. I could grab a juicer. Why not? This guy's 2400. I can probably get away with it. Let's just go for it. Even bishop d5 is an idea here. It's a little bit dubious to go for this. I mean, I really don't need a second pawn, but I just don't care. I just literally don't care. Let's play knight b4 and hit the bishop again. Obviously, I'm happy to trade some way up in material here. I don't know. All roads lead to Rome, so it's just a question of which road is the best. b5 actually is a nice trick too. Little wrinkle because takes, I fork him with knight d3. I think I'm just gonna start pushing p. Oh, this is actually not wonderful. It should be winning, but it's a little bit dangerous to go for this. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just winning, but gonna keep pushing p. Bum, 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 bum. With the rook behind the pawn, this should be very routine. I mean, if I go a2, I don't see it because there's still no way to get the lolly. Now I go here, and now I cover the lolly, and I threaten. I also had knight d3 maybe, but then queen c3 is risky. I go knight d3, takes queen. Yeah, that should be good. If he takes a queen on a1, and I cover it with classic right triangle. Knight g4. I go queen b2. I don't see it. They're still covering. I'm gonna make a second queen. Okay, so 6 more to go, you guys. 6 more. Thank you to Sajil for the prime epic roll. Thank you to X Gutman. Thank you to Fall in Depth for 6. Uh-oh. No. You. I think I'm gonna take because it's better to have 2 queens than 1. Cover the check. I've got with 2 queens and 2 rooks here on the board. A lot of pieces here. It's funny as there's no actual checkmate. I mean, wait. Okay, let's not do something dumb here. I don't want to accidentally allow a checkmate. But my queen covers this diagonal. Very, very critical that it covers all these dark squares. So like, I mean, I know I can take and get away with it, but I really don't know if I should. There's no stalemates. Queen f4 wins on the spot, of course. Actually, I think I'm gonna go check in f4. Yeah, it's just GG. I think you're the last man standing for the 2-month reset. I think you're the last man standing. Cover the 2 squares. No tricks. Go here. Check. Take. How many queens can I get? I can get 1, 2, 3, 4. I could get 6 queens. Let's drink some coffee and see if he feels like resigning or not. Do you feel like resigning? Apparently not. Move? Yeah. I could just move my... I was going to move my queen and force him to give up the knight. I was going to do something like this. I was hoping to get 5 queens, but it is what it is. Yeah.